So the question asked here is, how can we experience Krishna's love? Yes, that's a fact that presently people say that I love God, but do we really love God? Because, for example, if we love somebody, a boy loves a girl, a girl loves a boy, and boy goes to her house and says, let's run away, and the girl is just ready to go. Now my question is, if God comes here right now and tells you that let's run away, are we ready to go with God? No. Because we may say I love God, but we don't love. A girl who loves a boy and the boy goes to her home, she is ready to go with him. That is love. This is what Srila Rupa Goswami says in the scriptures written by him. He says that oh Lord Krishna, I want to develop love for you in a similar way, the way a girl loves a boy and a boy loves a girl. That's a very crude example given from the material world. That's the closest example we can give, because those who are in love with each other constantly think about them. Now, a question is how to develop this love. The answer is same. How did we develop love for our film stars? Firstly, we heard about their name. For example, when I was studying in the college, there was this new film star. His name was Govinda. I am selecting his name because his name is closer to Krishna. And when I went to the canteen, everybody said, oh, did you see this new movie of Govinda? I went to the classroom, somebody asked me, did you see this movie of Govinda? And I go to my tuition and somebody says, did you see this movie of Govinda? 3-4 times I hear the name again and again, and then I develop a desire to see this person. I develop a desire to see his movie. So you hear a name again and again, you develop a desire to see. And then I went and I saw, and then I fell in love with this actor. And that's how you fall in love with Krishna also. That you hear about Krishna again and again, you hear his holy name again and again, and then you fall in love with him. People always ask or doubt that once we start loving Krishna, how is it possible that I will be able to chant his holy name always, or I will be able to read the Srimad Bhagavatam and relish it again and again? Yes, it's quite possible in the material world. You see a mother who is proud of her child who has come first in the 10th standard exam, keeps on telling others, my son is so nice, so hardworking, so sincere, he came first in 10th standard, to the extent that this son becomes a doctor or engineer and his son goes to 10th standard. Still the mother keeps on speaking about her son, my son, and she is never tired. Somebody tries to glorify her son before the mother never says, okay, stop talking, I know my son is very nice. She says, okay, keep on talking about my son. That is because the mother loves her son. Okay, we have a small child at home and he sometimes lifts a suitcase and we say, oh, my son is so powerful, he lifts a suitcase. But Krishna lifted the Govardhan hill. But we are not so much amazed because there is no love. But a mother who loves her child, she keeps on glorifying her child lifting the suitcase also. Similarly, if this is possible with the mother, similarly it is possible by devotional service. When we develop love for God, we will be able to relish his holy name again and again, and we will be able to chant his holy name again and again. Thank you very much.